Let's build a new document in Microkeeper Skills and Files tool. You can access the skill configuration area by going to the top menu and clicking Settings, then Skill Config. In the skill configuration area, you can add a new skill or document by hitting the Add New Skill button. You can either add one from a pre-made template from Microkeeper or start from scratch by adding a title. Let's customize one from a template. Once you've created your document, you can customize it to your needs. In the Advanced Configuration settings, you have the ability to customize how you want this document or skill presented to your employees. A skills configuration includes the ability to update the title, add a URL, select a group of staff this skill belongs to, set the severity level, set if a document is required like the copy of a license, add supporting attachments, and set the skill or document to be declinable and auto-approved. You can also set if expiry settings are needed to allow automation in renewal reminders and compliancy tracking. The Advanced Document Builder allows you to customize your documents to your specific business needs, allowing you to add text, media, links, and more. Once you're happy with your document, you can activate it by updating the skill status. Click Done, and you'll find your new skill ready to be used.